Hi, my name is Dominique, and today I'm going to show you the Zoom H6 recorder. This unit is one of our more popular audio units, and it comes with a 6-channel audio recorder, 2 mic capsules, an SD card, a USB cable, and a mic muff. And today I'm going to show you the basics on how to set it up. The first thing I'm going to show you is both side controls as well as how to turn on power. Here we have 2 audio inputs, SD card slot, headphone with volume control, and a power button. To turn on the H6, you must push down the power button for about 1 second. Here I have 2 more audio inputs, menu control knob, menu button, and USB. The top interface allows you to control the volume of individual inputs, enable those audio channels, as well as record and playback. On the top of the H6, we have volume controls for each audio input, 6 buttons that enable those audio inputs. When the light is red, that means that the audio input is enabled. We have a record button, as well as playback. One of the first things you will want to do is to format the SD card. To format the SD card, I press the menu button, scroll down to SD card, format, and select yes. Once that is done, I exit out by pressing the menu button. The H6 records in 2 different formats, either a compressed MP3 file or a high-quality WAV file. And right now I'm going to show you how to enable either format. To select a file format, I press the menu button and scroll to record, press record format, and choose WAV for high-quality files or MP3 for long recording times. There are 2 types of microphones, one that does not require power, the other requires power. That power is also known as phantom power. And right now, I'm going to show you how to enable phantom power in the H6 recorder. Press menu, scroll to inputs and outputs, select phantom, select on and off. And currently I have it in track 1. So I'm going to enable that. Now, I'm going to exit out by pressing the menu button. And as I turn the knob on track 1, we are getting a signal. Mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2. The most critical part of recording is making sure that your audio levels do not distort. Here, I'm going to show you how to set up those audio levels. On the display, there are markings for -6, -12, and -18 dB. We want on average a level around -12. If the level meter goes up to the maximum, that means we're distorting. Mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2. We want to adjust the volume control until we see a level around -12. Mic check 1 2 3 4, mic check 1 2 3 4, mic check 1 2 3 4. If you have any questions regarding the H6 recorder, please come see us. I'm Dominique, and thanks for watching. Hey, if you love gear and knowledge as much as we do, then subscribe to our channel by clicking our logo. Here are a couple more videos for your enjoyment.